Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to install Bluetooth driver on Windows 11. So for this you will require a model name of your laptop, and the model name is generally written at the back side of your laptop. So just note it down somewhere. So it will be like this. So this is the model name of my laptop, Lenovo 81WB IdeaPad 3 15IML05U1. So after you have the model name of your laptop, what you have to do is just go to the browser, and now in the search bar first type the laptop manufacturer name. So in my case it is Lenovo. After this just type drivers. Now suppose if in your case if you have Dell laptop, then you have to type Dell drivers here, and after this just hit enter. Now just click on the support link of your laptop manufacturer. So just click on the first link. Now just click on this button, view PC support. Click on browse product, click on laptops, and now you have to select the series of your laptop. So in my case the series is IdeaPad 3. So here it is, 3 series laptop IdeaPad. Now you have to select the sub-series. So it is 15IML05. So here it is, IdeaPad 3 15IML05 laptop. Now you have to select the operating system. So just select the Windows 11, go down and just click on drivers and software in the left hand side. Now click on this manual update tab. Go down. Now just click on this Bluetooth and modem. So this is the Bluetooth driver that we have to download and install. Now just click on this arrow icon. Click on this download icon now. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now just double click on this Bluetooth driver. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now just select this first option, I accept the agreement, and click on the next button. Click on next button. Click on install button. Click on the OK button. Click on finish button. Now just restart your system and your Bluetooth driver will be installed on your system. After restarting your system, just go to the start button, right click over it and click on settings option. Click on Bluetooth and devices option in the left hand side and just toggle this on, this Bluetooth option. Click on this view more devices option, go down and just click on this option, send or receive files via Bluetooth. And now you can use these two options to send or receive files via Bluetooth. So this is how you can install Bluetooth driver on Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.